Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about a message for you. There are two piles, uh, like always. You have to choose from these two piles, whichever you are attracted most. So choose that one. I'm going towards the reading number one. For those who choose the pile number one or with this smiling emoji, your first card is High Priestess. With this card, I think you are very wise, very clever, very uh, uh, I think you are also very well known. People know you through your wisdom. Maybe you are a concealer or a mentor or a tarot card reader, someone like this, and maybe you are some kind of, I think so, not really priest or a Molvi or something. uh, yes, you are very wise. You first you think, then you do. Yes, like you are the person who first think then do. And with this nine of swords, okay, the universe is telling you that you have to use your wisdom in this situation, in some kind of situation, in some problem of you. You have to use your wisdom. You are very stressed over this situation, very stressed. You are overthinking about this thing, this particular situation, and you are very stressed over here. Temperance, you have to be patient, and the universe will help you. This situation will resolve, this problem will resolve, uh, um, as it is, or from universe. And maybe you have the money problem, you or this card will tell you that you have to care about all around you, your family, your mommy, papa, your whatever you have around you. And maybe you are a wife or husband, you have to take care of your in-laws also. And you are a very wise person once again, because with this light, this aura of light on her head, I think you are very smart, very practical, very intelligent person. And yes, with definitely with this card of Queen of Wands, you are very intelligent, very caring, very loving, very giving, little bit aggressive, little bit angry, and a giver person, a good empress or emperor, good king, queen, who have the responsibility to take care of everybody. And for you, if you want something, you have to break through your relationship. You have to leave your wife or husband, or maybe your some best friend, to get that thing, to get to your aim. Yes, there is a lover's card upside down, and you have to leave someone you love. If maybe this is the money situation, and if you want to make money, you have to leave them and go towards any other city, any other place, and for the time, and for your money situation. And you will again reconcile with that person, with this card, reconciliation. And don't listen to those who are not good for you, who are the Satan like persons. They are telling you the bad things about your family, about something, about anything, or about they are giving you the bad advice about your money situation. Don't uh, listen to them. And with this mask, this person have the mask on their face. They are not telling you the truth, they are telling you the lie. Maybe your life partner is the person who is betraying you, who is backstabbing you, or someone else. And you have to leave them for your own happiness, for your own good. And with angel of alchemy, miracle, some miracles are going to happen from Allah, from the universe, from the world, to you, that you are going to towards your happiness. I want to clarify some cards for you. Okay, with this I clarify the two of cups card, and it is clarified with the knight of wands upside down. And now you are not attracted towards that person, you don't want this person in your life, you are not happy with that person. And with this lovers card upside down, you are not happy with this person, your relationship is going to break, your heart is break over here. You want to have your happiness. And that in this card also, that squirrel is wearing the mask over there, over its head. And you want your happiness, you are missing them, you miss that person, but you want your happiness, you want a loyal person in your life. That's why you are going to leave that person for your own happiness, for your own peace of mind. And with this card, at the bottom of the deck, with this card of king of swords, you have to cut that person from your life, you have to isolate yourself, you have to leave that person. This is not good for you. They are the masked person, they are the liars, they are the betraying person. And when you cut that person from your life, you are going to succeed, you are going to win something in your life. And I think this is your marriage. Maybe they are not your husband or wife, maybe they are only your lover. And you think they are your lover, but they are the betrayed person, they are the deceived person. And they are telling you the lie. And when you are going to leave that person, you are going to win the new person in your life, who is good for you, who make you happy. And you are going to begin a new life with that person. This is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. And if you want to know more about your situation, then please go and check my previous videos, or you can watch my upcoming videos. And for that, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my videos in future. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the reading number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this green colored apple, your first card is 7 of Pentacles. You have to do a lot of work in some situation, in some particular problem of you. You have to work hard. You had both the seed in the soil, and now you are waiting for your fruit, for the fruit of this hard work. And with this 3 of swords, okay, the universe is telling you that you have to do your own work. Don't think what is other what is other are giving you, but please only do what you have to do. Okay, what is your responsibility? Okay, with this 3 of swords, your heart is going to break. And someone broke your heart, and you are very sad over here, you are crying, you are weeping. And you want to overcome this situation, but you are not able to do it. And with this 6 of swords upside down, you are not going to leave this situation, you are not going to forget it. Yes, you are not forgetting it, you are thinking it over and over. And with this hermit upside down, you are not finding your way out of this situation. you are not able to do it. And with this sun card, but you are in the future, somehow you can do it, and you can get out of this situation, and you are succeeded over here. You have the abundance, you have the children's, you have the marriage, or every happiness in your life. And the universe is telling you that go and do it. Don't afraid of anything, any circumstances, any obstacles in your path. Do it. Go and do it. The universe will give you the reward. And with this seven of swords, you are protecting yourself. You are not letting anyone see inside you. You are not want to get yourself unhappy once again. That's why maybe you isolated yourself. And with this protection, or with this sun card, you definitely are going to marry someone else. You have honeymoon card over here. You are going to have a good happy holiday time. And with this ghost of past, the past returns for a time. This card is reversed, so that your past will not come to you, and what is over. They are not coming towards you once again. And being this year, you see clearly clairvoyance. Now you are going to see the real face of that person, the reality of that situation. Now you know what is good, what is bad, what is real, what is fake. And you know all about this situation. You have to express your love towards someone else. And the devil, the person in your past is the devil person, because this is your past, and this person is a fake person. They have mask on their face. Okay. And they are not good persons, and person, and they are devil person. They are liar. They are they restricted you, and they have done to you a lot of bad things. Yes. And with this violet duchess, stifled, bored, and stuck. You are bored in this situation. You are bored with that person. You don't like this person anymore. You don't want them in your life. You are not happy with them. If you want to leave them, you have to do something. You have to do a lot of things, and you have to do it now, right now. Then you will get it from universe in some time, in your future. Okay. And I want to get some more card for you. Okay, you are very sad at this moment. You are not happy with the situation that someone had betrayed you, or I think you have the third party situation with this fear of swords card. And someone had broke your heart, and they leave you for someone else. And you are crying for that person. Yes, you are crying over here. And you have the sleepless nights. You are overthinking about that person. And with this emperor card, now you are going to become once again a new person. And you are a authority person. You are getting your power. You are a powerful person. Your energy is going to be boost. And you can think straightly, and you can make a plan straightly, wise plan. And you can escape from that fire. With this card, with this emperor card, you can take care of all around you, and also of your own self. And something is hiding, still something is hiding over here. Okay. You have to connect with the universe. You have to connect with your god, your spirits, with Allah. Okay. And with this word card, something is going to change over here for you, for your own good. and someone is going to betray you. You know that this person is not good for you. They are the masked person, they are the devil, and they want to do something bad to you. They want to steal something from you, and now you are angry. You're like a young person, and angry, brave, dominant. You want to cut that person from your life. You want to do something bad to that person. You want to punish them, and when you cut that person from your life, you are once again be happy, but you have to be patient for that time. You have to wait for that particular time, the good time, to do it. And with this ace of swords, you are going to start something new. You are going to see some clarity over that situation, and maybe you have to heal yourself, because of that deceiving, that devil person, what they stole from you. And with this empress card, someone loving, caring, and giving, they are coming towards you. Maybe someone else. You have the emperor, and this is the empress card. These are the couples, and I think you both are the couple. And this is the Aries energy, Aries, Libra, or Aquarius. And you are going to marry someone, or remarry someone else. Okay. And with this ace of cups, there is a love, a lot of love. The love is flowing from the heart, a lot of love. And you are going to find your path. Something is ending, something is beginning. After something end over here, something new is going to begin. Okay. This is a death card. I think the past relationship is going to end over here, and you are going to start something new. And there you have this knight of cups. You are coming towards someone you love. Once again, this devil person is here, and they are doing something bad to you. They are not happy with this. They want to punish you. They think that you do something to them. If they do something, that is good, but if you do something to them, that is not good. And that's why they are coming back towards you, and you are thinking about someone else over here. And now you are going to change something over here. You want to change something, and you are going towards the other person. Something is hidden over here, and you are going to see in this in this moonlight, what is hiding over here. You are going to reveal the truth. And with this judgment card, yes, the universe is going to give you the reward that you have done all in your life. And you are going to the higher level. And you are I think you're this is your transition over here. And you are turning into a very loyal, very good, very spiritual person. And with this nine of cups, you are going to have your you are going to fulfill your wishes, your desires, your dreams. And with this card of what is this, king of pentacles. Yes, it is king of pentacles. You once again have all the authority, all the things, all the happiness, all in your life, all money. But you have to be careful of that person, that devil person. You always have one devil person in your life. They are watching you, they have eye on you. Maybe they are stalking you, and they don't let you go towards any other person. They want your money, they want your happiness. That's why they are after you. And you want to go away from that person. uh, you are very stubborn over here to leave them, and this is the justice is going to done for you, and you are going to leave that person because that person is not good for you. You are bored in this situation, and this will happen. This situation will take a lot of time. Then you will go towards some person that is good for you, Queen of Cups, Scorpio energy, and maybe some Leo person is there for you, and you are going to have true love in your life. Okay, I want to clarify some more cards for you. Okay, that situation is clear. I had already tell you, but there's uh, one more card: healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. If you want to go forward in your life, if you want to heal your love life, you have to forgive your parents, or your parents, you have to forgive your parents, or maybe you have to forgive your child over here. And with this, what waiting for? This situation will take the time, you have to wait for it, and it will happen in the perfect time. And you have to release your ex. I already had tell you that you have to release your ex. You have had to wait for the true love of you, and there is the romantic feelings. You have the romantic feelings towards some other persons, and they are good for you, they are in love with you, and they are the good match for you. um, okay, this is a reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your situation, this situation or some other situation, you have to go and watch my previous videos, or you can also see my upcoming videos. And for that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my new videos, and for with a lot of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.